Good morning, good afternoon maybe. I'm not sure what time it is. I've been working since 5 a.m. this morning in Europe. Yes, 1 p.m. I can see that. So anyway, let's talk about the stars of this week. So this week we are going to have Mercury moving forwards. It's going to happen on the 22nd for us in Australia. So it will be moving forwards from that date. And I know you've been going through quite a few problems lately, and we are going to be talking about that because we cannot move forwards until we have talked about what has happened lately. Okay, so there's a lot of different levels. Obviously there's a global level, and let's address it. A lot of people have been saying, well, hang on, we were supposed to slow down and things to be more peaceful. Yes and no. They are slowing down. Things are not necessarily working the way that you want it. You're probably starting to feel tired. Things are breaking down. Some people are being sick. They're going to hospital and stuff like that. Definitely Mercury telling you slow down, rest, look after that body. So for those who are in hospital, hello, I know there's quite a few of you that are sick, that are at home, exhausted, tired, couldn't get out of colds or diseases, and there's been quite a few of you guys. So take that time to rest, please. That's what Mercury is for. Retrograde, that's what it is. It's actually the time we should be doing our holidays, I do most of mine during that time. I really try to slow down as much as I can. It's a bit hard for me because that's usually the time where you need me the most. So I usually look after as many as I can, obviously. But yes, it's definitely the time to slow down, and you will be so much better from it. Because remember, after that, we are going to be moving forwards. From next week, from the 27th, it's going to be forwards, the best stars of the year. Okay, so you have to hang in there. You have to really keep on going and slow down and look at yourself. Okay, take that time. So those fires, those water rising up into Venetia. What's going on? Well, what's going on is that's funny because my kids have been learning Newton lately, and in the car, revising in the morning when I drop them to school and talking about that. And exactly right. When there is an action, there is a reaction, okay? So what's coming up, that we like it or not, we have to face that there is global warming, okay? I know some of you think, okay, it's man-made, not man-made, it's natural, not natural. It doesn't really matter. It's just happening. That's just the way it is. The water is going down. I just shared a post. The water now on the Gold Coast, the people are asking, the city is asking to slow down on the way we use the water. There's a drought. There's the fires, and obviously it's telling us be careful of what's coming, to be aware, to have a bigger fire brigade, to be more aware of what's going on, and also obviously of the water rising up, because it is. I mean, some islands have already disappeared. Now Venetia is under the water. So we have to look at ourselves. We have to look at what we are doing right and what we are not doing right, okay? Because there's going to be a reaction. From it, we're going to have to react. That we like it or not. So that is the global, that the full moon obviously in Taurus stopped us in our tracks. So not only we've had Mercury retrograde stopping us, but on the same time we've had also that full moon in Taurus saying, hey, stop, where the next 7 years are, by the way. So there's no mistake there. Look at yourself, look at what's going on, look at what's happening, look at what you are doing or right or not doing right, with the planet, or obviously for ourselves. So if you've had some news or bad stuff coming up, or things that you needed to face, things where you needed to react and evolve, and do things that are better, or stand up for yourself, or learn if what you are doing is right, or if you are looking after your health, if you are looking after your family, if you are doing the things right, or saying, well, no, I don't agree with this, or I don't agree with that, or I want to get rid of this, or I want to get rid of that, because that full moon was there for that, to get rid of things, okay? So if suddenly, since the 12th, 13th, you've been feeling like that, I don't want to be hanging out with those people anymore, or that doesn't serve me any longer, or I need to change this and that is normal, because that's what this work has been all about, okay? To change and to evolve. Because remember, the universe is going to force us to evolve. That's the whole point of the whole thing, of our lives, is to get there. So yes, we've had some hard planets, and I really wish I could tell you it's going to get better straight away. Unfortunately, I cannot, and I'm going to tell it the way it is. Okay, so we have, yes, from Friday we have Mercury moving forwards, and yes, it's going to be much easier. And by the way, if you want to come and join us, I still have room. If you want to have really nice food, nice massages, replenish. I've got my friend coming, cook that Elsa, who's coming. I've got Kaylin with business. I've got Veronica for fashion, really giving us a boost. So if you can come, just come, even just for one day, because I do packages just for the day. But anyway, so that's why I did it at that time. So it's recharging time during the weekend, so feeling really great. But then on the Monday, on the 25th, I'm going to ask you to be very careful on the road, because there is an aspect with Mars and Uranus. So action, quite strong. With Mars it's strong, and Uranus, but the planet of surprises, but not so good. Okay, so be careful on the roads, because that is going to rise up into the world. There's going to be more accident, there's going to be probably things blowing. Be careful of that, stay safe, avoid arguments. Try to listen to whatever people have to say. If something is coming out of the blue, say, yes, okay, I'm listening, I've heard it, I know that it's the last cleanup of the year. Really, technically, that's what it's all about. Moving forwards. And of course, because we are going to be forwards, we need the last cleanup. Because for the moment, we've been going inside, analyzing ourselves and what we need to change from the inside. But at that point, it's going to be the last cleanup moving forward. So you need to be prepared for that, the last cleanup, and you might have even maybe an argument or someone saying something, or you will have to react. But please say, okay, I've listened, I've found a situation, or I know now that there's this situation, and then you wait for the 27th when we'll move forward and when the stars are going to be excellent. There is a new moon at that time that is absolutely amazing, with Venus, with love, with everything, and yeah, the best stars coming up. I'm so excited about next week. There's the 29th, which is one of the best day of the year, with Saturn and Mercury, one of the best days to sign a contract, to go long term. I'm having all my elites getting ready, to launch something at that time, and it's going to be really exciting, because then we're moving forwards the best time of the year, because it keeps on going crescendo until the 27th, but even January and all that, absolutely amazing. So no shopping for the moment, no Christmas shopping, you wait. If you want to buy something, you just buy, those cards, those gift cards, because it's better that you start doing your Christmas shopping after the 27th, because whatever you will buy that is expensive or things like that, people will be a lot more happy, because otherwise, even for yourself, and don't buy anything expensive still for the moment, just wait the 27th, and then from that point, buy whatever you want, sign whatever you want. You've got the green light for me. It's going to be the best time of 2019. So I know we've been waiting for that time, simply because there's been a lot of cleanup this year. The pig wanted us to finish things. It was the end of a cycle. It was the earth and the pig, which is the last animal, and it was like finishing, understanding ourselves, cleaning up and everything, because red is going to be the get-go. From the 25th of January, it's going to be let's go and do business, let's be sharp, let's do finances, let's make it happen. And then 2021 being, the economy, real estate and all that booming. Obviously, the world of finances changing, and you can see it already, the bitcoins and all that starting to have the same advantages as the bank. So they will be ready by next year. Definitely, you still need to know if you are compatible with that, to be able to invest in those kind of things, because some people are good in investing in real estate, some people are good in investing in gold, in finances, depending of where your money is going to be multiplying. So it's important also to know that, but I promise you that it's going to be very positive and very constructive. It's going to be 2 years very constructive. So the healing period of time with the pig that we are in now will be finished and finally done. So last cleanup, guys, you have to hang in there and remember, do meditations and say, okay, I've got to go through it. Re-energize yourself from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sleep well, get massages, do some healing, I've got a beautiful Lauren coming. We're going to do ball healings and meditations and yoga. So that's going to be a little gem, that little retreat. I'm really happy because I only had a month and a half to organize it when I found out that Elsa was going to be here because she had some stuff to do. So I said, oh, look, I'm going to be doing something around that weekend to recharge. And she said, yeah, I'm coming to give you a hand as a friend. I'm helping you out. And we're doing that beautiful food. And that is really awesome because I love her cooking. She's absolutely awesome. So yes, so let's do that. And also from the 29th, that's when you're going to want to sign contracts. Why do you want to sign contracts on the 29th? In fact, that's because Saturn and Mercury are going to be hand in hand. So what will be really, really good is that this weekend you rest, you energize yourself, and you take all the good stuff that you can get. And after that, from the 27th, you start thinking of what you want to do, because then you will be thinking objectively. We need to wait the 27th because there's too many planets for the moment retrograde to actually be really thinking clearly. And we've got an awesome aspect with the new moon that is going to be really, really gold on the 27, 28, because we've got Venus that is going to be well aspected. And I know a lot of astrologists say, no, but Venus, she's linked with love, with beauty, with all these things. Yeah, but they forget one thing, is that she also has the golden coins. She's got a purse around and she's got the golden points. So it's also linked with money. So if you want to start your project, it is very good to think about that time, but do not sign them or do not launch them until the 29th of the 30th. Why am I saying that? Because Saturn, in fact, is going to be linked with Mercury. So that's when you are really going to have the long time. And it's very important because with Saturn, it can take you there until the end of your life. So this is the power of those 2 days, the 29th and the 30th, when you are going to be launching and signing a contract. So 29th in the US, 30th more here, and in France as well. So it depends of the time where you are in the world, but I will definitely sign something or launch something or do a business page on, if you have also some good aspect in Sagittarius, please do it, because after that, on the 2nd, Jupiter, the planet of luck and expansion, is going to be changing from going from the Sagittarius to Capricorn. So if you've got some aspects that are in Sagittarius, please do it now. In fire signs, do it now for sure. Better than doing it in December. Even though December is great, and we are going to go towards the best day of the year, being the 27th of December, you still want to do it before. And then the earth signs will have 1 year that is going to be really awesome, because when Jupiter is in an earth signs, all the earth signs will get an extra dip of luck. So be ready for that, which is going to be awesome for all these people. If you've got a rising or a really strong aspect in an earth sign, you will also be blessed. Do not worry. But definitely Capricorns, be ready for that, because it's your turn. Sagittarius, it will come out. So Sagittarius, really do it. Or rising, do whatever you've got to do. But yeah, it's also all the fire signs that are helped. And then after that, it will be the turn of the earth signs to have their turn. It goes like that. And then in 2021, it will be the air signs with Aquarius and all the other air signs. Everybody's got a turn in astrology. That's what is good with the universe. It's fair on everyone, and it brings you happiness, turn by turn to everyone. So that's awesome. Me, I will be stopping taking readings from the 14th of December. So if you do want one, it's really the last times. I still have a few that I'm going to be doing in January, and then after that I will stop because I'm going to be looking after my elites. So I'm really going to focus on that for the next 2 years. I might sometimes take some if I can and have time. My prices will change as well, and I will still look after all you guys, all the ones that have had readings. meetings. I promise I will be there for always answering your questions, so no problems about that. But I'm going to be changing my way of working, and I will announce that on the 29th. I will actually do a special telling you exactly what's going on with Astrolife and the direction that we are taking. But definitely I'm going to be looking after the elites. I'm actually taking another group of elites. I'm starting to contact everyone. Sorry if I haven't contacted you before. I know some were saying I'm interested, but yeah, with those stars you can imagine how busy I've been in my life or with my clients, both, you know. It's been quite full on, so I had to follow up all that. But yes, definitely I'm contacting everyone, and I will start the interviews from the 27th when the stars are good, and I will take a third group and maybe a fourth one in January, and then I will stop. I will be really focusing on those 40 people, changing their lives, and I'm not taking more than that because I want to make sure that I'm changing their lives. Otherwise, there's no point. I don't believe in mentoring and not having results. For me, there need to be results. Otherwise, it's not a job well done. So I will only take the hands of those people and making sure that there is a difference. So that's where I'm going to make sure I am changing the life of these people, so those people can also change the life of other people, you know, multiplying in that sense, and making a big impact and a big difference into this world. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do as much as I can. So but there's some other stuff that I will announce on the 29th. Anyway, I know it's not going to be the easiest time. Please hang in there. Mercury moving forwards, it's always a bit... so the 21st, be ready to still have that murky water. Huh? It's like a big ship suddenly moving ahead, last cleanup of the year. So there's going to be still some murky stuff. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, rest as much as you can. Be careful on the roads, be careful, don't take any risks, please don't take any risk if you can on the 25th, 26th. Let that Mars opposition Uranus go past, and then after that from the 27th, just go for it. Like, I mean, go for everything that you want to do, relationships, building, traveling, business, whatever you want, you can go for it. It's absolutely excellent until the 5th of February. So I mean, a big time, and definitely time to make it happen. So that's it. Thank you for listening. Go through it and look after yourselves, and I shall see you next week, and then we'll go towards the good time, so it will be perfect. Take care. Bye everyone. Bye.